Welcome back to Design Code. In this part, we are designing reusable navbar, or you can say header components. I'm going to show how you create reusable navbar system in Figma that's perfect for any project. Reusable components save time, improve consistency, and make your design process so much smoother. So let's dive into. In the last part, we designing a color variables. So you can declare these colors as a variable and use in your project. Now we are using this header and creating the navbar components. I just copy this header and creating new page components. I need one frame to design component. In this, we have two components. One is the logo and second is the navbar, or you can say nav items. I just copy this logo and convert, or you can create component. And this will be our component. From this from this we use nav item. This nav item we can create as a component so that we can create our nav items, multiple nav items. So let's convert this into component. After converting this nav item, you can use it's a multiple time as your requirement. But in this, we add some properties of component. Selecting this and creating one first property, we create the first text property. We can say nav text. Nav text. We can value also nav text and create. I am selecting this and applying properties this. By applying this property, when you duplicate this nav text, you can just change it from here. See, you can see home. Now I duplicate this about, and you can add as your page requirement and project requirement and delete it. In this, we created first text property. Now in somewhere we need a drop down. So for the drop down, we need to add icons. I'm just go here and use the tabular icons. Go to the tabular setting. I need 20 pixels and 1.25 of chevron down. Okay, I use this chevron drop down icon, copy and just paste it here. I also copy the name here and paste. In this, I just give the drop down text, drop down colors, and I need this 20. Okay, convert into component. After creating this icon component, we need to add into this. I just copy this and paste it. In this, the icon will be placed. But in some case, we don't want this icon need a drop downs, and somewhere we want only text. So I just create one more property, call it boolean. In the boolean property, you can show or hide any elements. So just go here and boolean property true. So this property will be created but still not declared it. So I just go here and select the icon, go here and apply the property boolean. For now it's a true, so it will be show you the default condition will be true. If I just false it, it will be hide. Whatever value you have to be provide, either is a true or either is a false. I just use this as a false. Now this nav item we can use it repeatedly. I just copy this, and you can see you can change it here, home, and if you want to be change arrow or yes or no, you can add it. In this we don't want boolean, so I just go to parent property and edit the boolean. I just add nav icon, so we can easily understand it with nav icon we want or not. Okay, so this item will be nav item will be help us to creating our header components. So I just this here, this I am arranging. I don't want this all now, just moving up, and this first item we want, I just use this one and duplicate it by command D. 4 items I need it. Okay, 5, home, service, about us, blog, or you can selecting and changing it from here also, contact us. See, these items will be our nav item. Now I'm selecting this all the nav items and again creating component. See, and this component name will be nav. This nav converting into our whole component by selecting this nav and logo. I just create one auto layout, select, create, and auto layout. In this auto layout we created and we name it header, and by creating this name header we just convert into component. After converting this as a main component, the two main components are outside. This one is the main and the navbar, because we are using the instance component in our header. So whenever we change it here, it will be changed in our main header components. So the first component is our nav item. Based on this nav item, we creating a nav, and with logo and with nav components, we creating our header components. So this header will we can use in our project pages. So by selecting this, I just experimenting here. I need between space, you can call it auto, and now I just go to the our website wireframe project and delete it, and I open the grid. From the assets I just find it created library in my, and just selecting header. If you select the header, you can just drag and drop. By selecting this, you can just manage it like as your grid system. Now I just hide the component. Sorry, I just hide the grid. So here is our first header components we created in Figma. By changing it here, you can just use it multiple times. If you are creating more or than more 2 or more pages, you can use this header as a repeat and change it once. Now is the finished our header component. Now if you want to be add some nav icons, we can go here and add the nav icons as a drop down. You want to be add in drop down. If you find something space issue will be here, we just go here and go to our main component. In this nav we want to be check the issue space. In this we have a no auto layout, so I just go here and add auto layout. After creating auto layout, it will show the results. Now I just select these all items. This one is the some position issue, ignore it. Okay, I just put it first. Okay, after creating this into auto layout, we have a different space. We just make it 0, and left right spacing we have a 0. Okay, by selecting this particular nav item, we can add space as our requirement, and here we want a hug content. Everyone wants to be a properties hug content, so it will have a each item have a their own space. We can just select this and add 12. Now this space will work on our main wireframe. Return to instance. See, here is the space will be work as our according. And now if you do not want nav icon, just remove it. It will be again in their same position. So this will be our first header component in Figma. Now here is our final header components. I am arranging the all files now. So here is our header component. Here is our logo, nav item. The logo is outside frame. I just copy and again paste it. Okay, the logo, and here is our nav item. And for the icon, I just duplicate this and name it icon. Sorry, I just delete this and put it icon. All the icon we can arrange here, and components will be here. We can arrange it. Now friends, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Figma tips. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see in the next.